In the silent darkness beyond Pluto, something is moving. At first, it looks like nothing more than a faint speck of light, a tiny ember drifting in from the black ocean between stars. But astronomers quickly realize this is no ordinary rock. It is a visitor, a messenger from another star system. Only the third interstellar object ever discovered, after the mysterious Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. Now, in the summer of 2025, the universe has delivered a new cosmic wanderer. It begins quietly, with a telescope in Chile picking up a faint, ghostly signal. The Atlas survey system, built to spot incoming asteroids, detects something strange, a blip, a whisper, an object cutting across the sky on a path no local asteroid could follow. At first, no one knows what it is, a comet, an asteroid, or something we've never seen before. The next day, the truth is confirmed. Its orbit is hyperbolic, meaning it does not belong to the Sun. This is 3I Atlas, I for interstellar, a frozen traveler from a distant star system, now sweeping through our solar neighborhood. So, should we be worried? The answer is no. 3I Atlas will never come close to Earth. Its closest approach will be about 150 million miles away, farther than Mars. Safe. But that doesn't mean it's unimportant. For scientists, this is gold. This is an opportunity to study matter born around another star, an alien comet drifting right through our backyard. Here's what we know so far. It may be 9 to 12 miles wide, larger than either Oumuamua or Borisov. When spotted, it was already moving at over 140,000 miles per hour, faster than any ordinary comet from our system. And it isn't dead rock. It's alive with activity. Astronomers see a faint coma forming, a halo of vapor and dust boiling off its icy core, like breath steaming in the cold. Even at great distance, this comet is waking up. So if this sounds familiar, that's because we've seen this story before. Oumuamua, long, cigar-shaped, silent, with no tail, no coma, and strange movements that defied gravity itself. Some even wondered if it was a probe from another civilization. Then came Borisov, bright and comet-like, spewing vapor and dust like a traditional solar system comet. It looked familiar, but came from the deep cold of another star. Now we have Atlas, and early signs suggest it resembles Borisov more than Oumuamua, an active, icy body, a comet from another star, but larger, faster, and coming from a different direction, the constellation Sagittarius, near the galactic center, a place filled with billions of stars. Somewhere out there, Atlas was born. Think about that. For millions of years, this chunk of ice drifted alone through the void until fate brought it here to brush past our sun before vanishing forever. Its orbit tells the story, a wide hyperbolic swing, in, around the sun, and out again, never to return. By late October 2025, it will make its closest approach to the Sun, inside the orbit of Mars. Then by spring 2026, it will slingshot back into interstellar space, moving faster than any natural object ever observed. We will never see it again. But in the short time we do, scientists are racing to study it. Powerful telescopes are aimed at its coma, splitting its light into a rainbow to reveal its chemical DNA. Will it contain the same molecules we see in comets here? Water, carbon, cyanide, or something alien? If its chemistry matches ours, it may mean the ingredients for planets and life are spread across the galaxy, waiting to be assembled everywhere. If it's different, then Atlas carries the secrets of a star system unlike anything we've ever known. Either way, it's a priceless clue, a free sample from another sun. Make no mistake, interstellar visitors like Atlas are not just curiosities, they are the future of exploration. Right now, missions like the European Space Agency's Comet Interceptor are being designed to chase objects exactly like this. One day, we might catch up to one, fly alongside it, taste its gases, and read its chemistry like an ancient scroll. But for Atlas, we're too late. It was discovered only months before its closest approach. We can only watch, record, and wonder as it slips past and disappears into the dark. And so the question becomes, how many more are out there? Astronomers suspect there may be thousands of interstellar comets passing through the solar system at any given time, too faint for us to see. But with new eyes on the sky, like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile, we may soon discover them regularly. Perhaps dozens, perhaps hundreds. Atlas may be only the beginning. So, should we be fearful of it? No. We should be awed by it. Every so often, the universe sends us a reminder that the stars are not as far away as they seem. 3i Atlas is just a wanderer, but it carries whispers of other suns, other worlds, other possibilities. It will pass us once and never again. But in its brief visit, it reminds us of the truth. We are not isolated. We live in a galaxy of travelers, where even the stars share their stories. And tonight, one of those stories is passing through our sky.